Adorable open floor plan with 3-bedroom 2 baths in the Ridge Creek subdivision. Walk in the front door and you will find large living room with lots of sunlight coming in. All 3 bedrooms are carpeted for your comfort and the kitchen has nice cabinets and plenty of counter space. This home is located down at the end of the road so no traffic passing by. Outside you will find a fenced-in backyard with a covered patio great for all the BBQs. Also, big bonus when living in Missouri is a storm shelter located in the 2-car garage so no going outside in the weather for shelter.